On a bright morning, the pond sparkled with sunlight surrounded by tall reeds and lily pads. Sadie the Swan glides gracefully, humming a happy tune. She loves splashing and twirling in the water, creating big ripples that sparkle in the sun. Sadie loved her pond and loved to play, but sometimes her fun caused waves in more ways than one. Sadie flaps her wings excitedly, sending a big splash across the pond. Freddy the Frog leaps up, startled. His lily pad lunch hops into the water. Tilly the Turtle grumbles as mud clouds her resting rock. Benny the Beaver drops his stick pile when a wave knocks it over. They all shout, "Sadie, please stop splashing," but she giggles, "It's just water," and keeps going. The pond becomes noisy and messy, muddy water, floating leaves, and upset animals. Sadie tries to play again, but no one wants to join her. The frog hides, the turtle dives underwater, and the beaver moves to another corner. The pond feels quiet and lonely now. Sadie frowns and whispers, "I didn't mean to make them mad. I just wanted to play." Sadie glides to the middle of the pond, where the water is calm. She sees her reflection and the gentle ripples she makes when she moves softly. An older heron lands nearby and says, "Every ripple you make touches someone else. Make sure your ripples are kind." Sadie watches as a tiny movement sends waves all across the pond. She finally understands. The next morning, Sadie swims carefully, gliding slowly without splashing. She helps the frog find his lily pad, shares space with the turtle, and builds a small nest of reeds for the beaver's sticks. When she flaps her wings, it's in a soft, playful way that makes everyone smile. The pond sparkles again, this time with laughter, music, and harmony. Sadie learned that even the smallest ripple can change the world around you, so let yours be kind. Respect isn't just about words, it's about noticing how your actions affect others.